Hello all, this is a course, a startup a dream to reality 2.0. Today, the third week sections begins on marketing strategy. Now we can go to the marketing strategy. Before going to the marketing strategy, a small introduction part. Marketing Marketing refers to exercise a company undertaking to advance and purchasing or selling of items or administrations. A marketing strategy is a process that can be allow an organizations to concentrate its limited and resources on a great opportunities to increase the sales and achieve and substantial and competitive advantages. It is one of the essential part of a business at the board and trade. The advertises and can be guide the items of different organizations, that is B2B transactions and straightforward to purchase and B2C transactions. The strategic plans the involving to analyze the company strategic the essential situations or prior to formations and evaluations and selections of marketing and oriented and competitive positions that contributes the company's goals and marketing objectives. The marketing strategies as a defense and field of the study and emerged in 1970s and 1980s as is built on the strategic management that precedes it. The marketing strategies and highlighting the roles of marketing as a link between the organizations and the customers by the it is a cycle. The term the marketing, what is commonly known as the attracting the customers and incorporating the knowledge and gained by and studying the management of exchange the relationship and is the business process of identifying and anticipating and satisfying the customer needs and wants. The strategic planning is a distance field of the contributions of resources and the capability to maintain and capability within the organizations to achieve the competitive advantages and to enhance the firm the performance, etc. Now we can start. That is, now we can start the marketing strategy. The marketing is executing and an arrangement and form and especially for accomplishing and showcasing the target of associations. A marketing strategy encourages the association to focus on the scarce of assets and most of the ideal chances in order to expand the deals. The marketing strategy is a plan by the two terms, that is choosing the object of market, the choosing the target of market by the target marketing when means the whom and the organizations want to sell its products. Not all the market segments are the fruitment of organizations. There are certain the market segment of guarantee and quick the profit, and there were the certain the segment which have me having and great and potentials, but there will be the high barriers of entry. A careful choice of made by the organizations and in depth of marketing research has been done by the trades and by the buyers and the particular needs of buyer and the target in the market. Then second one is gathering and showcasing the blend, that is the gathering the marketing means by the marketing means when we make the when the organization proposes to sell its the product, the organization has been gathered to forth the piece of marketing in appropriated of these combinations, and gather the market means is a crucial part of the marketing task and various decisions has to made such as what are the most appropriated the mix of the four P's in the given situations, and what distributions and channels are available, which one should be unused, what development of strategy would be used in target market. Now we can start with the importance of marketing strategy. The marketing strategy gives an associations an edge over the rivals. The marketing helps in creating the products and enterprises with the best and effective making potential. The strategy ensure the effective department and coordinations, and it helps of the fixing of correct cost of association merchandise and the venture department on data and gathering the statistic service, surveying and strategies guarantees is departmental co-appointment. The marketing strategy helps to fix the advertising the budget in advance, and it has to develop in method which gathering the scope in the plan, that is the determine the revenue and gathered by advertising the plans. It is a key, like, it is a causes of associations to make the ideal usage of these assets in order to give the business message to its objective market. In short, the marketing strategy is clearly explain how the organization researchers is predetermine the objectives. Now we can start with the marketing principles. The marketing principles are the most uncommonly and used the principles that are around and since 1960s. These principles should be the test of time and have been retained in the same with the little variations here and there. Further decided the business follow these principles for a success of marketing strategy. There are four original principles of marketing defined for four P's, that is product, place, price and promotions. Later than it came the process, people and physical evidence. You might you have to see the more the principles were added, these original the uh, original original principles that had been used, some of the combinations refer to seven P's. First one is product. The substantial things or administrations that have to we are selling, does its address and necessities and needs and assumptions for your clients. The products can either a goods or services you provide to customers. One important thing that often the marketers ignore to see the appeal of the product and the market for it before decided what you want to offer. It's a product case. If you are selling if you want to sell a profitable product, then you are need to throughout the planning and looking as part of this product from customers, the eyes and the considerers of all the essential factors in our plan. These are the factors may include the questions such as the customer's needs and quality of their products and how it is different from the other, and once the selling the points as well as how unsafe it's for your customers. You want to need the quality of products but also be able to successfully define the quality of your products to your prospective the customers and return them into consumers. This is the first point of related to product. And second one is price. It might have to take the experimentations get is essential to discover your valuing sorts ports and excessively high and you will the clients, and excessively how you're low and you will cut your net revenues and ultimately hazarded leaving the business. The price is the money the customer has to pay the product or services that receive. They have the two types of pricing, such as the cost oriented and the market oriented prices. In the market oriented prices, they have more than the price that are contributed to the price and need through the market research. Some are thinking, some are points like that. What your customers are willing to pay, the price of the some types of products offered by your competitors, and the goals your company has to set to reach. Moreover, the price is selected for your determines the market value or on the value you have to offer through your products or services. If your customers have to more and expectations from your product, and you can should live up the expectations if you want to success a business. The price has also the adjusters with the time and to make the sure it's right for your current market. Now the third point is related to place. What are the ideal dispatch the channels or the pleas and the way that your contributions has to sold and conveyed. The place is referred to the process of writing your products and services to the customers. The place is whether your products or services are available for your purchase and the customer can buy them. It could be it could be the track and motor the stores and the online is website, or you can the multiple channels that can you reach the broader audience. It is essential for the business to choose as a right place. It is a convenient for your customers and can reach the potential customers to increase the sale of your product. Therefore, be careful the planning of your placement or the distributions of your product is important for your success of your business. For instance of knowing where the prospective the customers are, we are the locations for we should be there, and how to connect to potential customers to your locations and essential part of your business growth. The additional today's is the age. No matter of stores or services are located as a digital presence of you can make the huge and differences to reach out the potential to customers and more than the people tended to reach the online for their needs. The next section is related to the promotions. In advance of incorporated the strategies like the deals and promoting the occasions and alternative the approaches to get your contributions before your target market. The promotions is creating the awareness of your product and services and companies and brand. It's always the companies used to build and awareness of your product and services are knowing the promotions. The promotions should give the customers reason to choice of your product or services, as well as shows the prospective customers the benefits of using of your products. The promotion is a backbone of the marketing strategies as a cruel of businesses the quality of the product by produce. It refers to communicating with the target audience through uh, it refers to the communicate with the target audience through the different channels and creating the awareness of your product and services. There are the different methods used to let the market know how the product and services. The following some of the most popular way the marketers are to reach out the perspectives of the customers. The first one is mail marketing and advertising process and search marketing and sale promotions and direct marketing and public relations. First one is email marketing. As we know that the email marketing refers to the reaching out the target audience through the mail itself. Then second one is advertisement. The advertisement is a paid and promotional the tool of marketing used to promote the product or services. It should be the included like the social medias advertisement, the TV and marketing advertisement and the local market like etc. for supporting the event of branding the clothing for the staff activities. Next one is search marketing. The search marketing is generating the leads of search engine like the Google and BigBox, the CEO and SAM, and is including the technique like uh, rank blog and content or landing the pages of the product. The services relate the queries to drive in a website and traffic. The next one is sales promotions. As a sales promotion is a temporary and incentives such as the deals or the trail and promotions which has to encourage and prospective the customers to try out the product and services before buying. Next one is direct marketing. As a direct marketing is when you have to directly reach out your target and audience and you have to build and relationship through the way of communications. The next one is public relations. Is a public relations as also that representing as a favorable and images of your product and services. Now the sixth point is related to the physical evidence. The physical evidence is also included the customers and experience with the products and services. It gives the some of the and solid knowledge of your product and the services for your first times the customer. When your customer can be read or see your result of your product as you develop some of the level of trust and that the encourage you chosen it. The physical evidence is and physically interactions by the business has to be with the consumers in the store or the digital. It can also included in such as a case of studies and terminations of such terminations of such satisfy the customers and companies has to build the is a bond of awareness which has been these the interactions and increasing the sales, while the items based on this business sales and actual things as assistance based on the business has been more at the actual makers of image and contributions similar to these sites and the business cards. The physical evidence is include more the customer has to see the interactions of the business and to make sure that when the environment has where the product or services are provided and user friendly and more attractive and packing it's more the appearing to the customers and represent as your brand. Now the people is also another important part of your business organizations, from the team of your members to the branch managers to customer services and representing the all the virtual role in the process of the business organizations. The hiring the right of the people has to train and able to have to write and right job for essentials for his business organizations. The people have to ability as well as and driven and train the working can be made and massive and difference in creating and implementations the marketing plan in the right way. The people here the people the place where the cause of all these includes of 7 P's, the individuals of the human interactions were recorded as a part of these clients to associate with the genuine individuals of your group during the business cycle. Next one is a process. The process how you smooth your business cycle begin to end from when it's initially for find out their images and images one when they have to the items or administrations. The process is also some of the business often use of more and marketing principle that is called the process. The process is referred to the whole the experience of your products products or services that start to finish. It is a place to help and provide after the product is delivered, and it includes how long it take the deliver the process, how long your products or services have how to handle the customers after the process. If your customers are so happy and satisfied, you make the huge differences in how fast your business are growing. All of these marketing mixes play the essential part of your business success, and the whole process is called the marketing planning. Now we can start with next topic of approaches of marketing. This study of marketing has been approaches in more than one way. To some of us to might to sell something at a shops by to have to study of individual products and its move in the market. To some of the has to might to study the persons, the wholesale and retail agents, etc., who move the products, and some more has to might to study the behavior of community movement and way of persons involving move them. This approaches has to study the marketing has passed through several stages before while reaching the present stage. There is a process of evaluations and development of these approaches. First approaches we have to study that the product or community approaches. These strategies make the use of advertising these triggered by the object or the product by being an advertised for it examine the food after sales administrations and make the difficulties and purchases and fulfillment of these reach and segment are covered by these items and every and deals of related to promotions of the its items. The product or community approaches under this approach is focus is placed on the product and the approaches on marketing on communities wise basis. In other words, the study is relating to the flow of the certain commodities and the movement from the origin producers the right up to the ultimate the customers. The subject matters whether this under this study is commodity when one study has the marketing on the basis of commodities and approaches, one must has to begin the study and analysis the problems and relating the commodity that is the sources of conditions of supply and nature and extended of demand and mode of transporting and storage and backing and etc. The again take the for examples of commodity we can say as a rice. Some One of the study has the sources of the rice locations peoples involved in buying and selling the means of transportations and problems of selling the product and financing storage and packing etc. This we have to fulfill the picture of the market form of the original producers to the ultimate the customers. This is a method of the study is a repeated for the each item. This study is also claims that the symbols gives the good result over the marketing of each product and descriptions of the study is possible, but at this time the approaches is time consuming and interpretative the process, and which the process has so many drawbacks. And second approaches is based on institutional approaches. The institutional approaches has focus on the study of institutions and middlemen and wholesale, retails and importers and exporters, agencies and warehousings, etc. Engaging in the marketing during the movement of these goods, this approach is also known as the middleman approaches. Here the emphasis is given the understanding the analysis of the functions of institutions who are discharging these marketing functions. Here the institutional method employs the advertising the based on several institutions that has to come and direct and indirect connections with advertising of the products, such as the transportations and commissions and distributions hubs are has to be included. The activities of each institution form a partner of marketing and collectively complete its marketing functions. It's a process of focusing of goods and the producers has a final and consumers as a large number of is a large number of persons are engaged. This is a system that has to pay the attention to the problem and the functions of marketing. The institutions and transporting, bank and other financial institutions and warehousing and advertising and insurance, etc. This is a method that has not give adequate knowledge of ensure the marketing functions and also and fail the explains of interactions of different institutions. The third one is functional approaches. The functional approaches gives an importance of the various functions of marketing and in order to words of concrete and attention of the specialized and services or function performed in the marketers. In this approach, by the marketing splits into the many the functions of buying and selling and pricing, understand relations and storage of transportations, advertising, packaging, etc. It may include the studies, one of the another, and he has to and here the function he studies is deals in order to understand and analyze the nature and needs and importance of each functions. In this approach, the marketing is regarding as the business by the buying and selling as well as including those business activities involving in the flow of goods and services between the producers and customers. This is systems gives to more importance to various marketing functions and fail to explain and how such functions are applied in specific business operations. This is a method is the different capability of engaging that advertisings and analysis of functional capacity showing of specified. This is the functions of trade and the functions of the actual and facilitating the acceleration functions. Next approach is decision making or managerial approaches. This is the dynamic methodology focuses on marketing managers' decisions when promoting as a certain items. This approach is the latest and the scientific in concentrates upon the activities on marketing functions and focusing on role of the decision making and level of the firm. This approach is mainly handling and specific problems and the situations. This aim to through evaluations of current market practices to achieve specific objectives. It emphasizes how the marketing managers play the responsible is to choose of the best alternative game plan, uh, and, uh, and, and uncontrolled by the essentials of socialities and psychological and political etc has based on crisis of marketing changes, and these changes cannot be controlled by any firm. So generally there are the two factors other and controllable and uncontrollable, which has more certain of taking the decision making. Next approach is innovation approach. This is a strategy and employs an advertising firm specialist and standpoint and aim of moving and promoting the cycle forward by applying and innovations. This methodology has resulting in web advertising and mobile advertising and for etc. The next approach is a legal approach. This methodology is the lawful the part of advertising and stands out which administered the promoting the qualification of merchandise and the enterprises. These approaches and emphasize only the one aspects of that is transfer of the ownership to the buyers. It explains the regulatory aspects of the marketing in India. The marketing activities are largely controlled by the Sale of Goods Act, that is Carrier Act. That study has concentrated only the legal aspects and leaving other the important aspects that has does not give the idea of market. For example, the Consumer Protection Act, the 1986 is demonstrations of the Parliament of India institution in 1986 is a secure of interests of customers in India is the Essential Items Act is the Sale of Products Act, etc. The last approach is monetary approach. This methodology the concerns of various financial laws such as the law of and decreasing the utilities and law of the interest and law of variable and extensions among the others to comprehensive of financial assets of advertising. So these are the points of under comes of these approaches. So I conclude that so I hope that all of you understand this marketing strategy. That's all of this topic. Thank you.